kids, now it is How I Met Mrs. Claus. Yay! Okay, let me tell you some information about Mrs. Claus. If you even help the elves one bit, she'll smack you with a pan. And that is true. And how I met her was, I was going to a bar before I turned into Santa. And people used to celebrate Kwanzaa. So I was looking, and then I saw her. She was the most beautiful. So then I said, "Do you want to marry me?" That's how my story went. Leave any more suggestions?